Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na ikaw ang kasama ko ngayon dito. Hindi man ikaw ang pinakamagandang babaeng nakilala ko. Pero ikaw ang pinakamagandang dumating sa buhay ko.
Crystal May P. Lopera, will you take Julius Cesar Ciprias to be your lawfully wedded husband and travel with him for the rest of your lives? You will love him, submit to him, laugh with him, honor him as long as you both live.
I do, Pastor.
I'm forever, I'm for always, from your first breath.
I'm so blessed to have you in my life. I thank God every day na kasama kayo and part kayo ng family ko. Everything that I am now, I owe it to you, to all of my parents, to my family.
Sometimes the stars will guide you better than I can.
You never fail me. You never hesitate or late na mag-reply. I know I never said pogi ka. But I know in my heart now when I saw you, I know in my heart now I love you.
I'm for always, from your first breath to my last day. Whether I'm by your side or 1,000 miles away, I'm forever, I'm for always.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na ako yung asawa na gusto mo maging kasama mo sa hirap man o sa ginhawa. Mamahalin ka ng buong buhay ko at susuporta sa'yo.
I promise to pray for you, to pray with you, to worship God with you.
Lord, we welcome you in this place. And we welcome this lovely couple as they open their hearts to receive whatever blessings na plinano mo na ibibigay sa kanila. Ito po ang aming panalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus.
I'm always proud of you sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. So, yeah, thank you for coming to my life.
From this day on forward, be matured enough, okay? You have to, sabi nga, getting into married life is surrendering yourself to your partner, but then it doesn't mean na magpa-undress, but then surrendering. Okay? So, we love you. Always remember that na, ha?
Julius, Crystal, Mahirap sumunod sa Panginoon, pero pangako ng Diyos, if we trust in Him, darating yung times na hindi nyo makikita yung plan ng Diyos. But I tell you, if you trust in the Lord and put your hope in Him, that you will receive His promise.
Sabay nating pagtitibayin ng faith natin kay God. Mahal na mahal kita, Crystal. At palagi ko yung ipapaalala sa'yo at ipaparamdam sa'yo kung gaano kita kamahal, B.
Oh, Jesus, we love you. Oh, how we love you. You are the